What's up, guys? Andrew the Card Addict here. First box break video, and today I'm going to be opening up two of the 2018-2019 Prizm Mega Boxes. These are the exclusives from Target. I do know that Walmart has an exclusive box as well, but I've not hit up my local Walmart to see if they have any. So I went ahead and stopped by Target. These actually aren't supposed to come out until the 7th, I thought, but they're out now, so grab these in a couple blaster boxes, but for right now, just going to open these two and let's go ahead and see what I get. So one box break of these so far, and you guys seem to do pretty decent, so okay. Let's go ahead and get into the first pack. Michael Porter Jr. on top. Jeremy Grant. Bogdan. Justin Jackson rookie. Nice little cracked ice of Chris Paul. Damian Lillard. Jimmy Butler silver. George Gervin, Rondae Hollis-Jefferson, and Amari Stoudemire. There's nothing too exciting out of the first pack. Keita Bates Diop, not really sure how to say his name. Charles Barkley, Reggie Jackson, Landry Shamet, red cracked ice, that's pretty cool. Those are really nice. Nikola Mirotic and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Emergent of Chandler Hutchinson. Otto Porter Jr. and Zach Randolph. Og Anuboy. TJ Warren. Nikola Mirotic, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Kevin Love, Trey Burke, silver of Bill Russell, Mo Bamba, Phenoms rookie, and Avery Bradley and LaMarcus Aldridge base. Nothing too exciting so far yet. I know it said you can pull autographs right on top, that's pretty nice. Trae Young, rookie. Shaquille. Blake. DJ Augustine. Torian Price. Julius Irving. Silver of Paul Millsap. John Stockton Dominance insert. Wilson Chandler base, and Ian Clark. Melo, John Henson, James Johnson, Bojan, Blake Griffin, DJ Augustine, silver of Russell Westbrook, emergent of Mikal Bridges, and John Wall and Stephon Marbury. Last pack. Hopefully we can get something a little bit better than the last pack. If not, we will look at the next box to see if there's anything great in there. Clint Capella, Josh Jackson, Will Barton, George Hill, Dennis Johnson, Alec Burks, DeJounte Murray, Get Hyped, James Harden. Oh, that's a nice one. Luka Doncic, base rookie. Too bad it's not the silver Prizm, but still will take that. And Tim Hardaway Jr. base. So far nothing too amazing. Gonna go ahead and get some of these out of the way. Hopefully we can get something a little bit better in the next box. Overall, there are some nice cracked ices and inserts and whatnot. And I do want to pick up one of the Walmart exclusive boxes. Let's see what they have. Kent Bazemore, Karl Malone, Jerry West, Fred Van Leet, Alan Crabb, Tyler Johnson, Markieff Morris, Bill Russell, Hall Monitors, Lou Williams, and Manu Ginobili. Costas on top. Nerlens Noel base. Derek Favors. Oh, that's pretty nice. Freshman Phenoms, Jaren Jackson Jr. It's a pretty looking card. Jeremy Lin. Oh, wow. Talking about getting a good card, and there we go. Jaren Jackson Jr. cracked ice. That's really nice. Dragan Bender. Colin Sexton Emergent. Jordan Bell and Jalen Bronson. So far this box seems better than the last, to say the least. So that is definitely a good thing. Now on to the next. LBJ on top. Ryan Anderson. Gordon Hayward. Chandler Parsons. Enes Kanter. Harrison Barnes. Thon Maker Silver. Bill Walton Dominance. Jacob Evans II, rookie, and Robert Covington. Chris Dunn base. John Collins. AD. Kyle Korver. Jerry West. Fred Van Leet. Bogdan Bogdanovich. Get Hyped of Ben Simmons. Nice little insert. Giannis and Danilo Gallinari. Javon Carter, rookie. Kyle Lowry. Stanley Johnson. Robin Lopez. Nikola Jokic. Malik Monk. Oh, that's nice. Silver of Chandler Hutchinson. It's definitely a nice little card there. Freshman Phenoms, DeAndre Ayton. DeMarcus Cousins and JJ Redick. So on to the last pack here. Rondo, Jonas, Jabari, Emeka Okafor. Oh wow, another nice little of the red cracked ice. Justin Jackson. They are really nice. I mean, this box was definitely better than the last. So, safe to say there are definitely some good boxes out there. Reggie Jackson, wow, another nice one. And now we got a silver prism of Hamidou Diallo. So, I mean, this was a really solid box. Grayson Allen, Freshman Phenoms, that's pretty cool. And Spencer Dinwiddie and Matthew Dellavedova. So overall, I do think these boxes are pretty worth it. They are a little bit more expensive than some of the other boxes that are out there, considering you can get the blaster boxes for $20 a piece, but I know Steel City is already charging $25 for them, so I'm assuming they will go up. But overall, I think these boxes are definitely worth it, and you get a lot of different inserts, and I think the cracked ice parallels are really worth it. I mean, you get so many of them, and there's a Jaren Jackson, really beautiful. So overall, the second box is really solid, and looking forward to opening up the Prizm Blaster boxes. So stay tuned for my next video, and thanks for watching.